So let's bring in defense attorney Pilar Prinz to talk about this case. Welcome.
Good morning.
Okay, so he's talking about a change of venue, to use a legal term, right? He wants to change where the trial takes place. What would be a good place in Mr. O'Mara's mind?
Well, probably anywhere other than the county where this crime was committed to start off with. Certainly, it's not surprising that Mr. O'Mara is seeking a change of venue. What the court has to look at here is, can this defendant get a fair and impartial jury who's not going to be already biased because there's so much publicity that's going on, and as much as we're seeing it around the country, it's even more focused on his location. Certainly, I would think as a defense attorney, when you look at the implications and who the defendant is and who the victim is in this crime, the alleged victim in this crime, they may be looking at a largely Hispanic area, perhaps down in Miami, the South Florida area, maybe somewhere that he would look to go.
Maybe Texas. Maybe that would be that would be a great place to go, right?
Maybe get it out of Florida entirely.
Yeah. Mark O'Mara also talked about maybe this trial won't take place this year. He also talked about bringing down the level of anger surrounding this case. Is that the reason he wants to prolong the timing of this trial?
Well, it's going to be a couple things. Certainly, right now, this is getting such publicity, and the public is so outraged by this case that as time goes on, that's going to calm down. We all move on to some other things, and I think that the level of the animosity is something that Mr. O'Mara wants to bring outside of the courtroom because it could influence his case. The other thing is he simply wants time to do his job, to prepare his defense, and it takes time to do that.
Pilar, thanks so much for coming in this morning. I hope you come back.